How to use live wallpaper on lock screen on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on search app library. Now here search photos app. You will see photos app is there, so click on photos app. Now here select the photo, live photo. You will see this is live photo, you will see. So if you want to add wallpaper, so click on this icon. Now here scroll down, you will see use as wallpaper, so click on use as wallpaper. Now here you will see, so after selecting, click on add and click on set as wallpaper pair. So after the process, you will see picture is, so I think so this is blur, sorry. Don't blur and click on done. You will see wallpaper is showing here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use live wallpaper on lock screen in iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.